started it.
Hi, today we're gonna make a sugar snake. So I'm gonna take my solid fuel, put it in my stove. Then I already mixed this, and I'm gonna take a.
Gotta mix it up really good. You gotta mix it.
Yeah, I mixed it, and
so what did you mix?
I mix
That one's sucrose.
Sucrose. And I'm gonna mix it real good with baking soda.
Yeah, very good.
And
Keep shaking. You gotta shake it really good.
Now
Push it down to open it. There you go.
and then I'm gonna
Slowly pour it into your scoop. Big scoops. So do it over here on your mat, so don't spill your chemicals.
put it into the spoon.
Whoa, it's okay.
And put it
Slowly pour it into your. Very good.
there.
One.
And then
Okay. It said you need 2.
2 scoops
Yeah, let's
of
double check your rest of your directions. So 2 big spoons. So that's good. There you go. Make sure it goes right in the middle.
And then put it in the
Very
middle.
good.
And then
Put your lids on your chemicals.
I'm gonna put my lids on my chemicals so nothing happens.
And I am going to wipe this off because I know it's safe chemicals. So I'm going to use my hand.
It's safe.
Yes, I know these are safe chemicals, so I am touching them.
That's
Otherwise, we would never touch this with our hands.
That's good. Okay.
So
Now what are you gonna do?
So now my mom is gonna light it on fire.
Yeah. Well, you're going to light it, but I'm going to light the match for you.
Yeah.
And you have to light it where? It says on 2 sides, right?
On this side and this side.
Ready? So you're going to light your stick. Go to the bottom, on the bottom sides.
It didn't work.
Okay, let's try another one.
We tried.
Gotta keep, you can't let it, you can't get too close. Let your stick get hot first and really catch fire, okay? Let that really turn into a flame. Give it a second. Wait, give it a second to really turn into a flame. Okay, that's better.
Yeah, that's good.
Now go to the side all the way down on the pan. Don't go right into the center. Okay, quick. Okay. Oh. Watch your hand, watch your hand. Okay, watch, turn the stick sideways so the fire doesn't come up the side. Here, give it to me real quick. Try to move it a little. There we go, it's starting to light.
Oh, it went out.
No, it didn't. The stick just broke.
It's fine, the snake's starting to catch fire. There it goes, ready? And watch.
It smells like a
Keep
bonfire.
your safety glasses on.
Yeah.
It smells good. It smells like a bonfire.
Keep watching.
It's alive.
It's not alive yet.
Keep watching.
It's growing.
Hands back. Don't look at the fire.
It's growing.
Watch. Just watch.
Takes a while.
Yeah, keep watching.
Why is it not working?
It's working. Look. Making a chemical reaction.
But shouldn't it go faster?
Yeah, it doesn't have to go fast.
I don't think it's growing.
It's going.
It is. I can see it. Oh.
But it should have went fast like the one on the video.
Yeah, but I think theirs was a time lapse.
Sounds like a day.
Yes, stay back.
I can see it growing.
I can see it move.
Yeah, I don't know what it's doing. It's supposed to spout out really fast, I thought. We still have another fuel cell. We could try it again if this one doesn't go. It's still burning. So maybe when the fuel gets to the bottom, it'll... Hold on, puppies. Hold on.
Can I put some of it?
No, don't put any chemicals in that. That's dangerous. That could flash into your face and burn you. Because what it's burning is those chemicals.
It's growing.
Yeah, I see.
But it's like growing to the side.
Yeah, it's going to grow out of the pan.
It's moving.
Yeah, it's okay. See how our sticker on the side here? Look how it changed. It's got a caution thing now. It basically tells you how hot it is.
It's moving.
Yeah,
It's
this
not.
sugar snake's not doing... Open it.
It's moving.
This one's moving super slow.
Slow snake. It's like falling into the cup.
He's like a,
Now it just looks like.
he's like a snail.
Now it just looks like poop.
It's like a slug.
Ew.
Head back, arms back, elbows off the table. Safety.
No, it's not even snaking out. It just doesn't want to come out.
Maybe your chemical compound wasn't shaken well enough.
Can we try again?
We'll have to do it after dance.
Uh-oh.
It's fine. It's still going. It's still burning.
What time is it?
We gotta get going. You gotta bring your dinner with you. I know puppies for coming.
I mean, it's still a success.
Yeah, it's still working. Elbows down, elbows down. This is a fire. And chemicals. We have our water in case anything happens, but you can't have fabric up in there. Your fuel center is going. I don't know why.
It's like all the way to the bottom.
Yeah, I don't know why it's not burning.
It's still
differently.
growing.
I mean, it is growing. A snake, it's just a... It's not a fast snake.
Why is it turning over?
Because it's growing onto itself.
I don't see any whiteness anymore.